for where the English Kessie Pan Akoma NDC for breaking news family bro our commating so and they say one is NDC for on Moyo camping and now Mahama Nankasa the ma I NDC for me campaign and man what NDC for calm and Omujina say it is possible NDC for what NDC for calm or what NDC for calm or campaign almost say it is possible. Dr. Bawumia-It is possible. NDC for Ankasao. Almost say it is possible. Dr. Bawumia-It is possible. Number one, vote number one, it is possible for Dr. Bawumia. NDC for Muti, NDC for Kamu. Omoya campaign and Madon Dramani Mahama Nankasa ni Mau. Moye NDC for Moya campaign, Muti NDC for Kamu, Moya campaign and my NDC for. Almost it is possible. Dr. Bawumia-It is possible. Moya campaign and my Dr. Bawumia. Therefore, Mama Kasa Yatinka, Mumma Kone video no, the bar, and the Yakan United Asobuso.
Possible! It is possible! Number one! So would you two? Number one! Possible! It is possible! Number one! So would you two? Number one! Possible! It is possible! Number one! So would you two? Number one!
Or for Mamma video no, almost say it is possible. NDC for Moti NDC for Kamu, John Dramani Mahama and the boys and Anima. Moti NDC for Kamu, almost say it is possible. Number one. Almost say what did 2 man, almost say you did 2. Omadia to say Dr. Bawumia and Owinia Batui. And then I make count NDC for Ankasa and confirm me and Dr. Bawumia. I will mark some more Kamu or Modia campaign or for really breaking news kind of Yabremu. Or for news in the air, the woman question for the last time they're back, and they are coming out also.
Possible! It is possible! Number one! So would you two? Number one!
Order for another trending story there, cause Chiben and Becca Chemus, a big Santana, and Chiben and Lukudina, John Dramani Mahama, National campaign, a man and a man for backlash. It's a now kind of say a name modern Ghana as streaming apps now, a year the way forward. No, a big Santana saying, I'm on the digital TV, then on the TV being a TV channel, being a bus, no, or be a stream, and then me, a man will be a TV, actually. More streaming apps nowadays, a more digital world. No, a big Santana today, John Dramani Mahama or the TV stations, the local station ever. Into a man for Kudu Sheldon, Muhammad is a Kudu Sheldon here, or no, a controversial blogger, and no about Mountain, and they support Cassie, and the man Dr. Bawumia streaming app, no backlash, a big Santana, or four, the Mamaka and cry more in the Enconengo team, Sema, a Kudu Sheldon, a jar or to my big Santana, a bar, and that can be answer so come.
I'm not here to do politics. The GMX app is a collaboration between private and public sector. It is not owned and operated by the government. The government just stepped in just to nationalize it for wider reach and consumption. The GMX app is not owned by the government. So that is what the kind of mindset behind an app like that. And mind you, we are in a digital era. We are in a streaming era. We are in an era where even cinema is dead. But various production companies are producing quality tier movies and things, and they are streaming it on Paramount Plus, Amazon, Netflix, and all those things. Because everyone is on their phone. That is where the world is gravitating towards. What Abeku Santana said.
The biggest music destination in Africa is Nigeria. And you be a music streaming app na mibusamo. But what is Nigeria for app be a banya mo streaming also a intro. Now say almost so launch music streaming app a intro. Munti, sa no mo ye Ghana Post app. Busa Uber driver ana Yango driver bi se o use sa app na. Adia Google I capture the whole world satellite. Adia Google map so you use. Sa na COVID by so my COVID app. Oh ano so my app. Oh ano we no mo de dada mo. Na mo nso mo agiedi na makobo mo nsam eyentro enko ba bia enye hwe. Eti mamu ma omu fasa app ni dada won kan jo say eye digitization. Busa wo say mfaso ben e na obenya film. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebe bie TV channel a mo amu yesini nyina ye di local content ni beguso. Wo pese wo hwe sa channel na utua. Jumadi a ye wo conference center e won kran wo kumase no antumi amba ye wo dedicated TV channel a wo betumi ahwe wo di umomo no atua na wo hwe ne live a sika no beko artist ni ho e beko producers ho e beko omo ye no we ni hihye pa ye di agu kwan.
What is wrong with you niggas? If you are going to dismiss a streaming platform in a digital era, bro, how? Also, the Nigeria that he mentioned, Nigeria no get dedicated streaming platform for their artists or their local art. Do they have a dedicated local channel? No. Do you not see most of their producers putting their content on YouTube? If you are going to bastardize something like the GMS app or whatever streaming app Apreku, my daughter, has launched, make sure the alternative that you are bringing to the bro who watches TV in 2024. Let us be serious. It's like Dragon Raccoon. The two parties now here. But based on what he introduced, I think what the Bawumia launched, they make sense. Make you not politicize this thing. For we need to from near Shadi. Okay. How? TV channel. So you see the problem? You see the problem with the way they go about with policies. And when you criticize this, when you criticize it, you are seen as like, oh, you didn't. No, bro. This how, bro? Also, the TV station, already is Christopher Sanibesha on my wife. Start TV channels, a station channel. What makes you think there is no alternative for it? We say there's YouTube, there's Netflix. But if you are going to, once again, if you are going to bastardize someone's policy, make sure the one that you are introducing, it go make sense. Because when he started, he was making sense now until, it's like wait for it moment. Hey, he's coming. Oh, bro, how? It's like, then when an interest speak like this, now, TV channel in 2024, you had people clapping. Most of the people in the auditorium, their content are put on YouTube and it is monetized. YouTube niggas. How are you going to monetize a TV channel? By doing LPMs. In a global era like this, in a digital era like this, in an era where majority of content consumers are on their phone, your alternative to this is what? TV stations. Bro, we are not coming out from the trenches, bro. We're not coming out from the trenches. We are stuck in the trenches, bro.
When Mgasikesi koma abeku Santana could show the Mababo and Timo the Ja and what Denny was Sandy so or say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia streaming app no de banner and fact we mukai na dan and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the dada and so the streaming apps about and John Dramani Mahama the Oba or the TV channel and a TV station we were no be to streaming local content, you know, say could you show them say abeku Santana one part that will be a warning yes pan streaming who compare streaming app to a TV channel. And then me one TV view. You see, I'm going to be switching from watching TV to streaming lives on their phones and all that. YouTube, social media, now they are just TikTok, now they are streaming apps. And I will say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the streaming app about I will say local channel and I could show the number until to Jadiaman. Therefore, I had a million see ɛwɔ NDC NDC fo ɔmo endorse Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ɔmo ti ɔmo nso mo ka no ɛne koducha ɔde ha na me nyina bisi ɛwɔ akomati bisu si ade makra no